Practice set 6.2 question number 6. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. This is ground. AB is ground. Above the ground. Above the ground. Kite is here at C. Kite is here like this. This is kite at C. Now this kite is at a height of 60 meter from the ground. Means this is 60 meter from the ground, and this is vertical line and perpendicular to the ground, and therefore here at B 90 degree, and total height BC is 60 meter from the ground. The string attached to the kite series. This is string attached to the kite is tied at the ground at point A. It makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. Means this string makes an angle of 60 degree with ground, assuming that the string is straight. Find the length of the string. And we have given square root of 3. Value of it is 1.73. Therefore, listen carefully and look at this board. Now here, let AC represents length of the string. Then this BC represents height of the kite from the ground. Okay. Now question is find the length of the string. Now series. This angle is 60 degree, and that is given. Angle A 60 degree. Measure of it is given. Now we know the length of opposite side. Of 60 degree. But we don't know length of hypotenuse. Because this is right angle. So opposite side and hypotenuse, the relation between these two, we write with the help of trigonometric ratio. That trigonometric ratio is nothing but sine. Okay, sine here. Therefore, in right angle triangle ABC, in right angle triangle ABC, we write here sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is equal to opposite side of 60 degree, that is BC, upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is our AC. That is the length of the string. Did you get it? Now we use value of sine 60. That is square root of 3 upon 2 is equal to BC 60 meter. Don't write here meter, we write afterwards, upon AC. Did you get it? Therefore, cross multiplication. Now, see this AC. Therefore, AC is equal to, see this AC, multiplication of these two, 60 into 2 upon square root of 3. Square root of 3. Now, here square root of 3 is an irrational number. So, on rationalizing the denominator, AC is equal to 60 into 2, 120 upon square root of 3. On rationalizing the denominator, we multiply here by square root of 3 as well as divide here by square root of 3. Means square root of 3 is the rationalizing factor. Therefore, see here 120 into square root of 3 upon square root of 3 into square root of 3, 3 4s. Now, we use value of square root of 3. Therefore, AC is equal to 40 into 1.73. Therefore, AC is equal to this 0, 4 into 3, 12, carry 1, see here, 4 into 7, 28 plus 1, 29, 4 into 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, here 2 decimal places, so here also 2 decimal places, 1, 2, so decimal point is here, meter. Therefore, the length of the string will be 69.20 meter, or you can write only 69.2 meter.